So in this image, we are drawing the chromoplast. And so I'm just going to kind of start with the cell walls. This area is just beneath the epidermis of the bell pepper. And so either you're able to make a very thin slice or maybe scrape some off. And what we're seeing here are some basically parenchyma cells running just under the epidermis. And we have some pigments that we're picking up. And if you look closely, you'll notice that those pigments are localized, so they're not just randomly arranged. They tend to be right next to the cell wall, and that goes along with its function. The chromoplast acts as a natural sunscreen to trap those UV rays. The other place that you might notice them congregating is around a nucleus. So you'll see kind of a whole bunch right on top of a nucleus. And again, if you think about the purpose of the chromoplast, it's to protect from the harmful radiation that causes mutation in our DNA. And so of all places that you might want to protect from mutation, your nucleus would probably be way up there. And so one way that the plants help protect their nuclei is by surrounding them with these pigments that help to reduce the UV radiation that might be hitting them. So each little spot there is an individual chromoplast. And this was from an orange bell pepper, so these chromoplasts happen to be orange in color, but various colors exist. And then this would have been our nucleus down here that was being protected by our chromoplast. And this would be our cell walls.